Beni. How does an autonomous camera robot keep a fast-moving target perfectly in frame? Normally, filming action means a human operator constantly adjusts focus while trying not to trip over tree roots. But imagine sprinting down a highly cluttered, uneven forest trail with a robot tracking right behind you. First, the system establishes a visual lock, pinning a digital bounding box around your position. Instead of just reacting, it calculates your predictive trajectory, anticipating exactly where you'll be in the next few seconds. But here's the problem. Your path isn't the robot's path. If the robot drove straight toward that locked bounding box, it would crash directly into a massive tree on the trail. To avoid this, the system literally decouples its components. The upper camera gimbal stays deadlocked on your forward momentum, while the lower chassis simultaneously maps the physical ground, projecting a spatial mesh to find a separate, safe route. So as the robot's base physically zigzags to navigate the terrain, the camera dynamically compensates, actively swiveling to keep you perfectly centered. And that chaotic sprint down the highly cluttered forest trail, it ends with a flawless, continuous tracking shot, captured without hitting a single tree.
What if he could be more than just your camera? He could be part of your crew. What if he could go wherever you go, so you could just enjoy the views and your best friends? What if he didn't just capture moments, he could create them too? What if he could even help improve your game, making you a little bit better every day? And when the day's over, all your best memories are right there waiting for you. What if he was the sidekick you'd always imagined, ready for wherever curiosity takes you next? What if he's already here,